All right, today we're going to bring a nice little carrying safe here. Now, this is very durable. We're going to run some tests on it and see how waterproof it is. But first of all, I wanted to show you that it comes with a key lock area, two areas to unlock the actual whole system itself. So once you get that open, you all have to make sure you change the combination. Right now, we don't have a combination. We're just going to go ahead and open it up, unlock it, and show you the inside. Now, this silhouette here, if you guys can see, will be covering pretty much your weapon here, and then if you have a large, or you want to have a magazine ready to go, you can do that too. You could remove this and have the whole entire weapon in here. If you guys can see that, the silhouette's in there. Now they do have for magazines in here, and these are the areas that are going to require for the magazines. A magazine clip, if you guys can see that, so it fits perfect. You could close it, very simple, it's durable. And also, if you want to add ammo, you can add ammo in here. If you want to change the combination, it's very simple. And I'm going to try to see if I can focus in. Now, here's the actual combination. So once you change the combination to whatever figures that you want, to whatever numberation that you want, you can just hit that little button to maintain the actual lock, right? All right, we're going to try this one. Put it in the water. And it floats up. You guys can see that. Perfectly. We're going to open it up. Open the middle first. Middle here. Open it up. That's one. That's two. That's three. And look at that. In the bottom where I put it is dry. Nothing wet. You see that? Perfect. The lining, it kept it nice and sealed. It has a little seal all around it. Keeps it nice. Waterproof and floating device too. So the only thing is to dry it up. All right, so we're gonna do a little simple test. All right, this is an actual egg I have in here, and I'm gonna put it in Ziploc bags because if it does get compromised, I don't want it to go all around. I want to make sure that it keeps it safe. So if I could remove maybe just the gun part, this part, and then embed the egg there, put it in that Ziploc bag. Make sure the Ziploc bag is nice and close. Close it. Lock it, compromise it, and we're gonna drop it from at least 4 feet. So here, drop it, hit over here. Let me pick it up over here. Didn't mean to go on that side. Open it up. So you guys won't see that it's no trick. And the egg is intact. You guys can see that. Not a crack on it. It survived the actual fall with it.